Okay, so this is challenge number 11, and it shows you a picture and it gives you the measurements on the picture here. So basically, what they're saying is 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 2 millimeter. So this is a scale that they're saying with a variable thickness for a shell, and it's really easy to do. So I have this picture open, but I'm going to go to Inventor. And the first thing I do is click shell and click the top. And then I go down here and it's unique face thickness. So all I do is click to add and I click on the faces that I want to change. So I already did a default 1. So these two I can ignore. Those are already 1. This one I'm going to change to 4. So I click on it and I change it to 4 and you can see it just got a little bit thicker. Then I click to add. I'm going to go here, make that a 2. Click to add here. I'm going to make that a 3, and then we got 1, 1. So I click OK. All right, there it is. I go to File, iProperties, Physical, click Update, look at your center of gravity in the Z, and that is how you do it.